Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to see the best intraday breakout strategy, which is for crude oil and natural gas and Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have personally tested this strategy. It works fine. You will get a ratio of success ratio of 60 to 70% on an intraday basis. It is purely for a intraday basis. So if you are a crude oil natural gas trader, you can utilize it. And you are Nifty and Bank Nifty future trader, then you can utilize this. But don't take it for a stocks. Stocks I have not tested yet. So if you want, you can try by yourself. So we'll see one by one first. First, we'll see for crude and natural gas. Since the margin issues and margin was increased by SEBI, so now all the focus shifted to commodity and to natural gas and the crude oil now. Because if you have 1 lakh, you can trade without any problem in crude and natural gas. And later the second part we'll see Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So we'll go one by one. First we'll take crude oil and natural gas. Then we'll move to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we'll see crude oil first. So I'm taking crude oil chart. So since it is a complete intraday strategy, we need to choose the time frame first for this. So for trading, there is no time frame, but to set the trade setup, you need a proper time frame. So first I'm taking crude oil. Crude oil, you just take 30-minute chart. I'll tell you why 30 minutes, and it will be a 1 hour range, but better you take 30-minute chart. So you're taking 30-minute chart, I'm taking 30-minute chart. So I'll go from yesterday's level to till this month beginning. So this 20 days we'll cover by just analyzing by our intraday breakout. First I'm taking it crude oil 30-minute chart. So what you have to do first you have to do set this for your screen, and you have to take 30 minutes and you have to mark the range yesterday last 2 candle. That means 30 minutes last 2 candle. Since market closing at 11:30, the last 2 candle in the sense 11 o'clock candle and 11:30 candle. These 2 candle high and low you have to mark. So that is the only simple thing. You don't need to worry about it. So there is no other indicator required or no other calculations required. So only you need to mark yesterday the last 2 candle high and low. So that is what we are going to do now. So I'm just marking the high of the last 2 30 minutes candle. So this is the range. I'll just zoom it for your better understanding. So if you see here my screen, and I marked the 30 minutes high and low. The last 2 candle of crude oil, 30 minutes high and low, I have marked it. So the strategy is very simple. So it is called a intraday breakout strategy. So the strategy itself says it is a breakout strategy. So if the range, this high and low range, whenever the market breaks the low, in case gap up opening, in case of gap up opening, you can start buy from here and you place your stop loss below this range. Once, for example, at 9 o'clock, you are buying a crude oil at the price of 4,662. The market shot up from here little bit. So from here, in the sense, almost 30 point. So it is very good profit for you. Always keep 30 point minimum target. So once the market open above this range, you keep buy. The opening itself, you place a buy order, but your stop loss will be huge. I know very well, but since it is an intraday breakout strategy, so we have to follow the rule. Make sure you are booking 30 points. In case of gap up, you better take a entry and book 30 point. 37 point movement given, but 30 point is always best to book it. So our strategy initial breakout and this has been done. So 30 point is done. So the next trade, you have to wait for a selling opportunity. You have to wait for a selling. So once the low broken, keep this range high as a stop loss and go sell. And here also you made some decent profit. I always suggest 30 point will be better. Even the stop loss is 50 point, better try to book 50 point, 30 points for your safe. So if you see here, there was a downfall till 70 point. That is on 20th to 21. So that is 19th level and 20th. The next day, that is yesterday's level, we'll check once. So I'm removing this previous day. And yesterday, if you mark low and high, that is, you can see here clearly 11 o'clock candle and 10:30 candle. So that means the last 1 hour high and low. So here the difficult trade. Like if you see here, the initial level got broke. This is the range, it has got broken. And this is where our stop loss will be. So now stop loss trigger, what we have to do? We have to do one thing, that we have to reverse our position with one more lot. Like if it is a selling one lot here, then we have to reverse by two lots here. So you just measure your stop loss. It may be around 35 or 40 points, maybe 56. It is a huge for you. So it's breakout and you have taken it, and 56 point you are given as a stop loss. One stop loss hit, you just reverse your position with two lots of buy. One lot for covering your loss, one lot to get a profit. Here it made a easy profit of 56 point. I always suggest 30 point will be better. So 30 point easily you would have made it. So this is a very simple strategy. You just need to mark high and low of each day. The previous day, last 30 minutes, two candle. That means the 10:30 candle and 11 o'clock candle. That means the last 1 hour you are going to mark high and low. If breaks high, if it is opening gap down, then you are directly selling for 30 points. If it is gap up, directly buying for 30 points. In case if it is opening between, like inside this range, and if it is break low, then go sell with stop loss of range high. And in case if market comes and hit the stop loss, then reverse your position with lots. So one more thing also possible here. So in case after breaking upside, there may be a possibility of breaking lower. In that case, you just leave it for the day. Don't trade additionally, only 2 trade per day. So if it is breaking low, then avoid your further trading. So this is what the basic strategy of this intraday breakout. We'll see for natural gas also, and the next we'll see Nifty and Bank Nifty also. But crude and natural gas, you have to take only 30 minutes time frame, and Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are changing the time frame, the last 2 candle time frame. But in crude oil and natural gas, we are taking last 1 hour. That means 30 minutes candle, 2 candles high and low. We are going to take it. Why I'm telling this 30 minutes means, if you take 1 hour chart, so the market opening at 9 o'clock, that means the last candle will be only 30 minutes candle. So don't take that. Take 30 minutes and mark 2 candles, that last 2 candles high and low for the strategy. Hope we are clearly understood this, and we'll see natural gas also once. So we'll see natural gas. Natural gas, I have taken 30-minute chart. I have to mark the previous day, that is 20. You can take here. So marking previous day the range. That means the 20th high and low I'm marking. The last 2 candle high and low, I'm just marking it. So exactly you have to mark the high and low. The stop loss should be just 1 point. If it is crude oil, 1 point. If it is natural gas, the 1, like 10 paise. That is one that moves high and low. So 10 paisa you have to keep either downside additional and upside additionally. So if you see a natural gas here, so market open huge gap up. So avoid here. So don't take it. The first trade I'm telling, that means the gap up trade you don't take it, but the breakout trade you can take it. If you see here the breakout, so the breakout happened here, and immediately the market fell to your target. Here you just keep only 1.5 rupees as your target. 1 rupee 50 paise as your target in natural gas. Don't keep more than that. So 1.5 easily you will get it. The previous day will go. We'll go to the previous day. So if I mark previous day last two candle high and low, opening itself I have got a trade. That means the gap up, the gap down. So there is a marginal gap down. That is not a big gap down. If in case any gap up or gap down more than 2 rupees, that is 1% more than the script value. If it is 220 rupees, right, natural gas, then that means the 2.2 rupees above or below in case of gap down or gap up, avoid the trade, the initial trade. Only take the breakout trade. Initial trade in the sense, if it is gap down, it is the initial trade. Next trade will be breakout. So in case gap down opening, if it is breaking upside, then it is a breakout trade. So initial trade also we are taking it, and breakout trade also we are taking. So here easily your 1.5 rupees will be captured, and we'll see the previous day, the next previous day. So if you take 18th, so just measure the level. In case of more than 1% gap down or a gap up from the closing price, that means the range. What is a low? So we are taking two candle high and low. You just take a scale, you just measure once. If it is opening more than 1%, more than, it is not a more than 1%, it is less than 1%, so we are considering as a trade. So here the initial trade we have taken, and we have captured the 1.5 rupees, and market fell further. I always suggest book your profit. Don't wait for a big target. If you are a additional technical analyst, like you know anything about a technical analysis, just like some other patterns or any breakout or any for indicator you are following it, if you are merging with this, then it is fine. But as per my suggestion, you just book 1.5 rupees always. So we'll see next previous day. The market, yes, gap up open and moving further higher high. So here if you see here the two candles, and you got that 1.5 price. Okay, here the breakout trade got failed. You see here the breakout got failed, no issues. The one trade gets success, and one trade getting failed, that is not an issue. Anyway, it is a zero trade, zero loss for us. So you always remember, in case of huge gap down, don't take a trade that is more than 1%. If it is lesser than the 1%, you take a sell. If in case opening below, then go sell for 1.5 rupees. And the breakout trade, like you have to take two trades. Once the level get break, then you go buy. Then you go buy. In case reverse, in case price reverse, then reverse your position with full lot. Then it will be, if it is stop loss, you accept the stop loss and get out from the trade. It may happen monthly twice or thrice. That is the reason I have given a percentage of 60 to 70%. It is not a 100% working strategy, but it will work fantastic. Like there is no anything like any analysis, technical analysis, or any patterns or any indicators required for this. Only the simply you are marking the level and you are taking the trade. So if I take this, yeah, this is the level high and low. Once it is open gap down, and you just measure your profit 1.5 rupees from the opening or the level of low. If it is 1.5 rupees, just close your trade. Here also same, the last two candles. I'm marking last two candles. In case of any doubt, you always please ping me. If you want our contact number, you just join with our Telegram channel. The link given in the description. You can always ping me in the command section. So in the chart section. So this is the strategy for crude oil and natural gas. You are taking here the 30 minutes time frame, and you are marking last two candle, high and low. And for crude oil, I set 30 points, and for natural gas, it is 1.5 rupees. So if it is crude oil, 3,000 rupees, and if it is natural gas, here you are going to make almost 2,000 rupees range. So 1,250 is the profit for 1 rupee, and 1.5 and almost 2,000 rupees you are going to make it in the natural gas also. Per day, getting a 3,000 or 2,000 rupees, it is very good return for your investment of 1 lakh. For this, you need only 1 lakh rupees to take a trade. Either you go with crude oil or you go with natural gas. If you're going with the crude oil, you may get a huge stop loss. Like sometimes it may open the range. And one more thing, the range also must be minimum. Like if it is crude oil, 1%. The range you just calculate high and low. If it is more than 1%, the range, then avoid that day. If it is range less than 1%, then you consider that breakout. Okay, I hope you understand this strategy for crude and natural gas. We'll move on to Nifty and Bank Nifty future chart. Now we'll see for Nifty. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both you have to take 15 minutes time frame, and you are marking last two candles in the sense from 3 o'clock to 3:30. That high and low you are going to mark. And for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, here the rules are, so in case market opening more than 0.5%, in case of market opening more than 0.5% gap up or a gap down, you just avoid this strategy. Don't take a trade on based on this particular strategy. For crude and natural gas, I said more than 1%. And here the Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'm telling 0.5. If it is Nifty, now it is trading around 15,000 range. That means the 0.5 will be around 75 points. And for Bank Nifty, now it is trading around 35,000 range. So here the 350 points for 1% and 175 points for half a percent. If it is opening more than 0.5 percentage, you just avoid this trade. Don't take a this strategy in the particular day trading. And here also the rules will be similar. So you are taking only future chart, not spot chart, because future only the tradable instrument. So spot you are not going to consider for this strategy. And we'll see one or two back test here. So marking yesterday's, that is on yesterday trade, the market closed here, the last candle. I'm just zooming it out for you. So you can see here the last two candles, that is 3 to 3:30 candle. I'm just marking it. So we'll just measure the levels. In case of gap up, if it is more than 0.5, we are going to skip this. So the gap up it is 0.42, that is less than 0.5%. So we are going to execute our trade. So if you calculate the risk from here, in case if it is opening more than 5%, exactly at 0.5%, here you are going to lose 75 points in case of stop loss, and the range, the total around will be 100 points. That means if you are taking a future trade, that is almost 8,000 rupees, 7,500 to 8,000 rupees you are going to lose for the one trade. If you are taking a 1 lakh as a capital, you are risking your capital more than a 7% or 8%. That is always riskier. So who's having a capital of 2 lakh or 3 lakh, then they can trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I don't suggest them to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty who are having a capital of 1 lakh. 1 lakh, it may be suitable for natural gas and crude oil, but Nifty and Bank Nifty, I don't think so it will be, because the risk is crossing more than 3%. So per trade, you have to keep minimum 3% as a minimum, and maximum will be 3,000 per year per risk. So if you're taking more than 3% risk, then you will be under table in the long run. Always try to make your risk less than 3% in a particular single trade. So don't take more than 3%. Even I don't suggest 3%, I suggest only 1%. But in this case, this strategy you can take up to 3 to 4% as a risk. If you are having a capital of 2 to 3 lakh, then it is fine. If it's a 3 lakh capital, it works to be a 9,000 rupees. So 9,000 rupees, you can take it as a risk in this particular trade. So if you see now for Nifty, so I'm marking the high and low, and initially the market opened gap up, so I can go long from here. So I can keep my stop loss below this range. So here for a crude oil, I said 30 point, and for natural gas, I said 1.5 rupees. For Nifty, I'm telling you minimum you keep it 60 point. Minimum you keep 60 points as a target. Minimum 60 point. You may ask, so overall risk itself 1,100 points. Why you are telling 60? So 60 is the easiest way to get the target in within the day range, within the intraday range. So that is the reason I'm telling, because since the market opening above 0.5% is already 75 point up. So again, expecting another 75 points, I don't think so it will work out to be in an intraday trade. So that is the reason I said minimum take 60 point. And even if you're taking 50 points, that is also fine for me. So anyway, this is going to give a success ratio of 60 to 70% if you're following regularly. So we'll see one more example for this. So I'm taking the previous day, 19th, this 2 candle high and low. If you see here, market open gap down immediately. So we kept a stop loss here. So the stop loss is safe. Market open gap down, and immediately it came in and it started falling. We would have got our 50 to 60 point target here. And we'll go one more trade here. So this must be a stop loss day for us. So the market open gap down. So we'll see if it is more than 1%, then we are going to skip this day. Otherwise, we would have taken it. Sorry, more than 0.5. So we'll see here. It is less than 0.5. So we would have taken an entry. You don't need to wait for any candle closing. You just place the stop loss above this. Crude oil, I said just keep 1 point more than the level, and natural gas, I said 0.10 paise, that is a stop loss here. But here in the Nifty, you just keep only 3 to 5 points, not more than that. Not more than 5 points you keep, because 10 points it works out to be like 750 rupees. If it is a 5 point, it is a 350 rupees. Yeah, it is reasonable. Then you can keep it. In this case, we would have lost our stop loss marginally. So I'll check the levels. So I shows 57.80. If you would have kept 5 rupees more than this, then your stop loss is safe. That is the reason I suggested Nifty you keep 5 points, 5, a range plus 5, just 5 points, not more than 5. Please be strict with the stop loss. So in case stop loss trigger, as I said, please exit your position and wait for the next opportunity. The first trade is a gap down selling trade. So you see here, it is almost 100 point loss for us. Okay, in case of stop loss out, then avoid the day. Go for a next day trade. Okay, then don't trade over trade or revenge trade. Okay, so you see the next day high and low. So here I mark high and low for last 2 candle, and you see here the market open huge gap up. If it is more than 5%, we are going to skip. Yeah, it is more than 5%, we are going to skip our trade. See here I'm marking high and low. Not a day high and low, last 2 candle high and low. Market opens less than 0.5%, less than 0.5%. So we are in the long. So we would have made a decent profit here. And here the stop loss stay for us. So you check the range. If it is more than 0.5%, you just avoid the trade. If it is less than point, yes, you can take the trade. So our stop loss will be taken out. So no problem. That's the reason 60 to 70% success ratio. So if it is stop loss, then please avoid the day. Don't wait for the next breakout. But crude and natural gas, I suggested to wait for a breakout since it is a long run. Like we have a time till 11:30, but Nifty and Bank Nifty we have time till only 3:15. So please don't take risk. Only one trade per day. You can take it for a reasonable target. Nifty I had given a 50 points, 50 to 60 point, and Bank Nifty I'm going to tell you now. So Nifty you see here now. So market gap down. That's less than 0.5%. So market fell down. So if you see the next day, there was a huge gap down. If it is more than 5%, we are going to avoid. Yes, it is more than 0.4%, so we are going to avoid. And we see here, market closed here, the open more than 0.5%, so we are going to avoid the trade. So if we are taking the next day, if you see the range from the high is less than 0.5, so we are going to take a long position, or there is no stop loss and there is no target also. We'll see from open, it may give an R 50 point. We would have made up, yes, we would have made a profit of 60. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. So we have to mark high and low of the last two candle, and we are keeping at stop loss below 5 point for Nifty. We'll check Bank Nifty once. Bank Nifty, I'm going to take future chart. So both the Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is a future chart, not a spot chart. Remember it. Remember this thing and don't take a spot chart. So I'm taking this for a Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I said 0.5% gap up or a gap down. And here I'm going to take a stop loss plus 20 points. Plus 20 points. Nifty, I said 5 points. 5 point works to be like 350 rupees. But Bank Nifty, since it is a huge volatile script, so I'm going to take 20 points additionally. The range plus 20 points. So you see here, this is the range, and market opened gap down and it went up. You would have taken the stop loss, would have taken out. Yes, it is almost 70 plus point. 70 plus point. So stop loss would have taken out. No worries. You just exit your position. That is not a problem. One day loss, you just accept and exit your position. Luckily, that day it is slightly gap down. The slightly gap down, we would have taken a sell, and immediately our stop loss would have taken out. So what will be our stop loss? Plus 20 point, around 120 point. That means the 10,000 rupees range we have lost our. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty, it is fine for us because the risk is lesser than the Nifty. You see, the next day, that is on Friday, the last two candle high and low was this, and we would have made a very good profit on that day. Here, the Nifty, I said 50 to 60 point. Bank Nifty, I'm telling minimum 200, maximum 300. You have to take 200 to 300 point as a target. 200 means 5,000 rupees you are going to get. Plus 300 means you are going to get total 7,500. So this is what our strategy, guys. So any doubt, you can always message me in the Telegram. I have given my number in Telegram channel, and even in the Telegram channel itself, you can comment my posts. There I'll explain you in detail. So hope I have explained this proper way, and I given things very clear. So I'll just leave this video with YouTube channel, and I'll just in the thumbnail I just mentioned the time frame and then the target and the stop loss added points. These things I'll leave it in the thumbnail, and I'll give it in the YouTube video in the last part also. And thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, as I said, details about the strategy. So crude oil, we are going to take 30 minutes time frame and take last two candles and mark high and low. The last two candles mark high and low, and stop loss will be plus 2 points. The plus 2 points, the video said 1, you please add one more point. 2 point is your stop loss. If it is in case the range is 4,500, then you please add 2 point. 4,502 is your stop loss, and target will be 30 points. And if you're taking natural gas, the same 30 minutes, last 2 candle, high and low. Stop loss, you just add 0.2 price, that is 0.2, and target take 0.15. Sorry, 1.15 is your target. And Nifty future 15 minutes time frame, last 2 candles, mark high and low, and 5 plus 5 points your stop loss, and target will be 50 to 60 points. In Bank Nifty, same 15 minutes, take 2 candles, mark high and low, stop loss will be plus 20 point, target will be 200 to 300 point. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and please share this informative technical, like this type of videos to your friends also who's trading. Let them get benefited about this, and please please implement this, and please leave a comments about the strategy and the result what you are getting it. Thank you for watching the video.